Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bong in Russia. I am Pooja. I am with you in today's video. So, let's get started. So today I am going to tell you all what the place I visited in Crimea is Sevastopol. I visited that place in December, just a few days before the New Year celebration. Let me tell you all about the features of Sevastopol. First of all, let me tell you that Sevastopol is an important and historical seaport on the Black Sea with full of natural beauty. In the 20th century, it was the home port of USSR Navy's Black Sea Fleet. Both Russian and Ukrainian fleets were based in the city. The city has significant Russian naval presence. Although Simferopol is considered the second capital of Crimea because most of the people of Crimea live in this place. So that's why most of the tourists come to visit this place. It is the main port of Crimea. Cargo ships from different countries gather at this port, and from here various goods are imported and exported. Sevastopol's main attraction is Nakhimov Square. So we are standing in that Nakhimov Square now. White Grafskaya Wharf is seen in front. It has another name is Count's Landing Stage. The artillery bay is right behind it. Now we will move forward. A monument can be seen in front. The name of this monument is Admiral Nakhimov Monument. Now preparations are underway for the New Year celebration here. For that, they have arranged a big Christmas tree here. And you can see in front that they are making the stage. So now we have nothing to see here. So we are moving forward now. There is a beautiful park here. The park's name is Most Bluglenik. So we are now walking through that park. If you have a walking tour around Sevastopol, you can't miss this place because it is too elegant and classic place. So now we are very excited to see the beautiful sea. The name of this sea is Black Sea. I can't tell you how beautiful this place is. What you see in this video, the place is much more beautiful face to face than that. What a beautiful sitting area in front. You can sit here and enjoy the marine beauty. Another monument can be seen on the sea in front. The name of this monument is Monument of the Shanken Ships. It has another name is Monument of the Scuttled Ships. Beautiful white birds are flying over the sea. They are enhancing the beauty of the sea. So now you can see what a beautiful marine beauty is in front of me. There are a number of hypotheses for why it was eventually called the Black Sea. Number 1. Metal objects from ships, dead plants and animal matter that sunk deeper than 150 meters for a long period of the time became covered with a black sludge due to the high concentration of hydrogen sulfide in the sea. From the perspective of the sailors, the sea was black to severe storms in the winter, during which the water is so dark it looks black. I can see some white buildings behind me. These are small shops. If you like this place, you can buy some small or big items from that small shop for reservation some memory. Here you can see lots of people have gathered here. They are also enjoying marine beauty like me. This place has now become a very favorite place of tourists. On the other side of the sea, I can see the another beautiful city. I am now standing just below the white building. The name of this building is Institute of Marine Biology. Just in front is another white building. The name of this building is Sevastopolsky Akademicheski Theater Tansa Imeni Vadima Yalizarova. Oh, take a look at that place. There is a text is written in Russian language. That means I love Sevastopol. I have come forward. I can see a fountain in front. A girl is hanging on a cradle just behind it. We have come to this place to see another monument which is very important. Here is another monument in front of me. You can see the statue where a man is standing with a gun in his hand. The name of this monument is Parkovka za Pamyatnikom Soldatu. We can see that monument in front of us. This monument is white in color. The name of this monument is Pamyatnik Shituk I Vitrilo or Shituk I Parus. Now I got on the boat to see the interesting sights of the sea. So let's take a look at the interesting aspects with me. So I have now moved to the other side of the boat to enjoy the marine beauty. So you can see what a beautiful place it is. The sound of this beautiful sea makes our minds more fresh. Now this boat will take us around the sea for 30 minutes. What to do after you get here? I am telling you what you can do to enjoy the natural beauty here. Ride the ferry boats crossing the Artillery Bay. The ferries travel all over the city and it is a good way to get photos of various landmarks. It's a great for watching the ships entering the bay. Let me tell you, the cost of a boat trip is 300 rubles per person, and also bus fare from Simferopol to Sevastopol is totally 550 rubles per person. Now, if you rent a private car and go for a travel, then the amount of bus fare can be increased from 550 rubles to 5000 rubles. Now our boat is moving forward. There are many ships kept there. These are different cargo ships, different ships from different countries. A Russian man is telling which ship belongs to which country. If you want to tour Russia, you need to know Russian language. Only then you will understand what the Russian man is saying in the boat. A blue building can be seen from here. This is a gallery. The name of the gallery is Kanashyar. It's a awesome gallery. There are many unique things, paintings, wonderful creative atmosphere. The place is very beautiful. I really like this place. The Crimea has a history of many wars. This place bears many traces of the history of that war. I have learned a lot about that history from this place. It's nice to know about that history. This place is also full of natural beauty and pleasant environment. The people here are very helpful. If you ever come to Crimea, then don't forget to come to this place. Guys, I hope you like it. My video ends here today. Thank you for watching, and if you like our video, then please give this video a big thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please share it as much as possible. Have a question in mind, then write us down in comment section below. So bye guys, stay happy, stay healthy.